Hi all. So in the last video tutorial we saw how can we retrieve value from each and every cell of a web table, and in this video tutorial I am going to show you how can we compare all these values with the expected values. So if you see, we retrieved all these values from the web table, right? So to compare these values with the expected values, we can use array list. So I will show you. So what we can do here is I'll create one array list over here. So I'll just write here uh, expected cell values of the web table. Okay, expected cell values of the web table, and I'll write here array list of string. So I'll write here exp values is equal to new array list of string. Because all these values are of string type, right? So that is the reason I have created one array list of string type, and I have to import this class which is coming from java.util package. Then I have to add all these values, expected values dot add. Okay, so add is a method. um, this method is being used for adding all the expected values to a particular array list. Okay, so in real time you can have all these values stored in an external data source file. That external data source file can be anything. It can be an Excel sheet, it can be a properties file, or it can be a text file. But as of now I am mentioning all these values in the class itself, and we are going to compare. Okay, so I will write like this: company. So let me create like this. And I'll just paste these values. That's it. Contact, then country. Okay, after that these values. Okay, then I have this one. So let me just copy paste all the values. So I have added all the expected values, you can see, using add method, and I have added all these values to our expected array list. Okay, so I have to create one more array list to retrieve the actual values during runtime. So what I will do is I will copy this line and paste it over here, and instead of expected values I will name it as actual values. Okay, and this thing, okay, uh, this for loop, right? So I have to write it below. Okay, so I am printing the value, but again I have to write something like this: actual values dot add, and I will write this cell value. Yeah, cell value dot trim. So I am using trim method. If any space is there, then it will remove that particular space, so that like while comparing we will not have to face any issue. Okay, same thing I will write here as well. So now we have got our actual values also. Okay, so I'll just write here comment retrieve actual values from the web table during runtime. Okay, so now I have expected values and actual values. All I have to do is I just have to compare. Okay, and if you see, I have taken rows and columns, and if I have to print how many rows are there, how many columns are there, that also I can print. So what I have to do is I just have to write like this, system.out.println. So number of rows in the web table. So I can just have to write here rows. Similarly, I can write number of columns. So I'll change it to columns, and I'll change this value. Okay. So for comparing, what I have to do, I just have to like compare expected values with the actual values. Okay, so I will put one if condition. If exp values, if exp values dot equals actual values, then I can write here system.out.println. So I'll write statement as status passed expected values of web table are matching with the actual values fetched during runtime. Okay, fetched during runtime. Else I'll write here, I'll copy this statement and I'll write here failed. Expected values of web table are not matching. Okay, so let's run this once again. So I'll clear this test result. Okay, so let's run this. So it's going to open MS Edge browser and it has invoked my application under test. If you see, this is the web table. Now it is going to fetch each and every cell value and it will compare with the actual value. So if I go here, it is printing all the values. If you see, so if you see number of rows in the table, number of rows in the web table is 7 and number of columns in the web table is 3, and it has started printing all the cell values. And we have got our test result as well. Status passed. Expected values of web table are matching with the actual values fetched during runtime. So this is how we can compare the expected values of a web table with the actual values. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching this video. Keep learning, keep growing.